Hello and welcome to Indian Story. There is nothing more beautiful and exciting than story. Everybody has a story. In fact, the story is a light. Now let's watch what this story has to say.
ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा, कहा दो दिलों ने कि मिलकर कभी हम न होंगे जुदा। ये रातें, ये मौसम, नदी का किनारा, ये चंचल हवा। कि हम खो गए प्यार की रागनी में, ये बाहों में बाहें, ये बहकी निगाहें, लो आने लगा जिंदगी का मजा। My father, Dr. Gurmukh Singh, was from Lahore. We originally come from Lahore. He was a student of King Edward Medical College, and after that he was employed in Mayo Hospital, one of the best hospitals of North India at that time. That was before partition, 1946. And after that he joined railways from Indian Railway Medical Services. He was posted in Kalebagh, an important place those days in the railways, before the partition happened, and he had to migrate to India. My mother, Swaranjeet Kaur, originally comes from Bombay, and she was product of Ruia College, and 1946 they got married. See, my dad, being in the railways, he got transferred. अब जैसे कालका तो हम लोग छोटे ही थे, एंड फ्रॉम देयर ही गॉट ट्रांसफर टू इलाहाबाद। इलाहाबाद में मैं पढ़ा कुछ टाइम गवर्नमेंट स्कूल में, उसके बाद फिर सेंट जोसेफ्स स्कूल है वहाँ पर, बड़ा अच्छा स्कूल है, वहाँ पर पढ़े। फिर उनकी ट्रांसफ़र बीकानेर हुई। सो बीकानेर आई स्टडीड फॉर 5 years or so in public school, which is that time was considered as the best school in North India, one of the public schools. So Sadul Public School was it's very old school, 1893 or something it established. It was the Noble Walter School. So मैं वहाँ पढ़ा, and I did very well in schooling. फिर Government College Ajmer for 1 year, and after that I studied in Gobind Ballabh Pant University of Agriculture and Technology. And that time it was the best university. Our professors were also from USA and European countries, and we had a great time. We were very dedicated, academics we had. So after university, I did my BSc Honours. I was the first fertilizer scholar of India in BSc Honours, 1970, and did my MSc with thesis and all, which is like MPhil of today. And I'm grateful to God that I selected Pantnagar University, which is one of the finest that time. My first job was with Duncan Brothers, a British company, as assistant manager. So 1975-76 early, I joined Duncan's with head office in Calcutta, but I was in upcountry, the tea states. Well, it was great life, but very secluded. I was there for almost 6 years, and what a wonderful time we had. Best of games, and the perks were fantastic, providing 8 servants and the bungalow and whatnot, was car with 300 liters of petrol, and we used to go around, and but life was very lonely. When I got married in between, I found that the future of my family will be, what I want will not be there. Like my wife was throughout a gold medalist or silver medalist. She did very well in psychology, and so we planned intelligently that we should quit this place, this job, and come to civilization, so-called civilization. So I left Duncan's, joined Sandoz. After that, I joined Indian Potash IPL, a fertilizer company. I was in senior officers grade, and in Sandoz also I was senior management, and IPL also I was middle management and senior management. For 24 years I worked in Indian Potash Limited. So from Lucknow to Varanasi and to Delhi. So there's a long, experience, excellent experience I got. As such, I was a fertilizer scholar and I had background. I did masters in agronomy and fertilizer technology, and marketing was my passion. So I enjoyed meeting people, selling my product. And but because we did very well, we were selected for a CIDA project, Canadian International Development Agency. So in the form of Canadian Agriculture Extension Project under Indian Potash Limited. So two senior officials were picked up. One was Mr. Khanduri, I still remember, and myself. So we were there for 5 years. I was there for 5 years. So I came back in the main line of fertilizers. And from Delhi, I went to the most important place for Indian Potash Limited, that was Ahmedabad. So I was in Gujarat for almost 5-6 years. In between, I came to Delhi, but my managing director made sure that I, have the linkage with this Gujarat, because Gujarat has most of the ports. But I got an opportunity to be a CEO of a company, so I resigned from Indian Potash Limited. I retired gracefully from that company, and I am on board of a couple of companies now, taking many projects in hand. I am a consultant also. In between, I was strategic advisor to CABI, that is Commonwealth Agriculture International Bureau of International. That's a British group. They're still active. So I was strategic advisor for 1 year or maybe more. So I'm leading a very respectable life. We are 4 brothers, sisters. Elder sister is Kamal. Her Honey is a pet name, and she's married to Mr. Kalra. Mr. Kalra retired as Jagmohan Singh Kalra retired as Chief Engineer Irrigation from Punjab state. Then next is my brother. He is an engineer. Ravinder is his name. Ravinder Pal Singh Josen is his name. He did his engineering from Thapar, Patiala, and he joined Navy. He was a very successful officer there, and, because he did many naval aviation courses and from the staff college, and he did very well for himself in that line. Then third is myself. Tejinder is my name, Tejinder Pal Singh, but shortly, briefly, my friends call me TP or TP Singh or Tejinder or even Teji. And number 4 is Jyoti, my youngest sister. She's a beautiful girl, and she got married to Commander Ahluwalia. Like my elder sister was like mother to us. In absence of my mother, she would have the reins of the house with her. And she was another very disciplined lady. She will, she would not tolerate again any nuisance. If we are trying to be naughty, she will, and we respected her. That was the equation with my elder sister. My brother is only 2 years elder to me, 1.5 years elder. So we like friends. Like we shared many things, even books and our shoes and many. So छोटी बहन ज्योति तो बिल्कुल ही she is 5 years, about 5 years younger to me. तो वो तो बहुत ही प्यारी थी वो. शी वॉज वेरी अफेक्शनेट. My dad was highly professional and very honest kind of a person. He was very truthful. I have learnt a lot from him. He will never get annoyed. I think in my lifetime, I've seen him annoyed only twice or thrice. He was a very good doctor, and he respected his parents. He missed his seniors. Dad will always caution us, सही रास्ते पे चलो. Don't deviate. Maybe it is difficult path, but be on the righteous path. And well, equally brave and intelligent was my mother, Swaranjeet. She was highly, a very versatile lady. We learnt a lot from her, how to handle the society and how to take long strides to be successful in life. So we learnt a lot. We respect our parents. They were the great. I got married to a wonderful lady, Amar Jyoti. She is originally, they are from Chandigarh. In 1980 I got married. In fact, I used to meet her even before I got married. I used to come from Duncan's, and so they are in Chandigarh. She was doing BA Honours that time, but she continued her studies. She did her Masters, MPhil, and excellent scoring. Grade-wise, she either got gold medal or the silver medal, and I'm very lucky to have married her. She's highly talented. She's a great singer. She's our two, common hobbies are singing and music, so which match very well. She's very affectionate. She's very sensitive. एक लाइन में और क्या, full of warmth. And among children, you said you want to know about my children. I have two children. Radhika, my daughter, she did her schooling from Delhi, Sant Valley School, and then Carmel Convent, and Indraprastha College, and she did her MSW, Master of Social Work, from Delhi University. She got married, and now she is in USA. And there also she is pursuing her studies. My son, luckily, is doing very well. He is from DPS Mathura Road, and after that he got admission in Bhagat Singh College for BCom Honours. He was in ENY, Avery Dennison, and one more I think in these two companies he did very well there, and luckily got admission in Babson College, that is in Boston. That is the best college in the world for entrepreneurship, near Harvard. So he is about to finish his MBA, and he's already been picked up by a German company for job. He's got employment letter also. He's very happy, and he's very intelligent, hardworking, and very affectionate son of mine. We are friends, in fact. Same goes for my daughter. She is also very affectionate and. My father, I think, I learned a lot, how to be honest, straightforward, transparent. मुझे उनकी कभी बात चुभी नहीं. वैसे मैं भी यही कोशिश करता हूँ कि किसी के बारे में बुरा ना सोचो, ना करो किसी का बुरा. I make sure. Even now I'm suffering because I'm trying to help people. So I think my dad was very good person. He was very affectionate person. He was my inspiration. And in job, my first boss of Duncan's, Mr. Sagar Mehta, even now he's very senior in tea. Maybe I worked for a short period because that was my first job. I used to take a lot of interest, and everything is clear. Like a picture. He was very focused. He will not allow us to waste time. was very focused in profession. So we are in touch. He loves me a lot, even today. He's in 80s. 2 days back he called me, how are you, and all that. So I like him. Without challenges, there is no life. Challenge has to be accepted. And you have to win. The winning, that spirit, I have learnt in games. I was captain of cricket, and I was champion, the best all-rounder of my school, and even university I did very well. This I have learned from games. The challenge has to be there. There is nothing which cannot be conquered, I have seen. If your intentions, if your the right intention and right approach, there is nothing which cannot be where you can't achieve. Challenges have to be accepted if you want to be successful in life. I still feel I should not have resigned from Sandoz. It's a beautiful company. I was there for almost two years. My boss liked me, Mr. Aditya Nehru. He was a top man in India. But I got scared of certain, things happening in Jorhat, in Assam. And knowing that I may have to continue there, I'll not be able to take the pressure of those terrorists which even once visited my bungalow. They wanted to get rid of all citizens they don't belong to Assam, and they had a different motto, different intention. And in between I got this break also. IPL, Indian Potash Limited Managing Director himself said, he called me. Mr. Sohan Singh was his name. I don't know whether that was a wrong decision or right decision, but that was a turning point, because Sandoz is a highly, highly professional company. And here, Indian Potash Limited is a very different, environment they have in the company. Hard work. I am very fond of meeting people. That's my passion. I make friends. That's my strength, I would say. Hard work, knowing the actual problem and then striking it. That is मूल मंत्र तो वही है. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है, and then accordingly you handle it. मैं जनरली 5:30 बजे उठ जाता हूँ. 5:30 I get up early morning. I immediately put on the television. मुझे शौक है कीर्तन सुनने का. गोल्डन टेम्पल से उस समय लाइव टेलीकास्ट आता है, तो करीब 1 घंटा मैं उसको सुनता हूँ. और इस 1 घंटे में मैं एक बड़ा कप चाय का पीता हूँ. और अबाउट 6:30 वो वाक होता है वहाँ पर. आपको इंस्ट्रक्शन मिलती है पूरे दिन में आपको क्या करना है गुरु ग्रंथ साहब से, तो मैं उसको अपने दिल में रखता हूँ. दे ऑल गुड टीचिंग्स. मैनकाइंड का भला करो, अच्छे काम करो, भगवान का नाम लो, ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर देयर. फिर मैं 6:30 बजे मेरा न्यूज़पेपर आ जाता है. आई रीड 2-3 न्यूज़पेपर्स एंड 8 o'clock I take bath and all and get ready. बीच में अभी सर्दी थी इसलिए मैं वॉक के लिए नहीं गया, but I go for a walk. I make it a point that I should go for a walk and then take bath, have breakfast, get ready, and there are some projects, there are certain meetings which are lined up. I go to Shastri Bhavan, Krishi Bhavan, maybe in my clubs I have the meetings like Chelmsford Club and Gymkhana Club, right, or CSOI, मेरे फ्रेंड्स का जो वो है ग्रुप. फिर शाम को आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ म्यूज़िक, तो कोई म्यूज़िकल इवनिंग्स हमारे ग्रुप्स में है. So try and pick up. I go there. I enjoy my drink. Maybe after 2-3 days, I try to have I enjoy two pegs or so, not more. कुछ किताबें पढ़ लेता हूँ सोने से पहले. And speak to my children, speak to my friends, and go to sleep at about 10:30. Rotary is a great organization. It's outstanding, You find very good people who are dedicated to the society, good to the society. They are very clear, they want to help the poor to come up by many projects. 97, my uncle, Dr. Dhol, he was there in Rotary Club of Panchila Park. So he inducted me. Since then, I am a Rotarian. I was in Delhi, same club. Then when I was in Ahmedabad, there also I joined Rotary Club of Ellis Bridge, Gymkhana. So there also I enjoyed the company of all Gujaratis. They are also doing a great job. So it's a very disciplinarian sort of a group, NGO. It is the best NGO in the world, I would say that, for doing good to the society. So I enjoy not only the company of the members, but whatever the projects are being taken by Rotary. Life is a celebration, I would say. I enjoy life. I don't see negative things. कभी चलते चलते आगरा जाते हुए टायर भी पंक्चर हो जाता है, तो उसको रिप्लेस करने में भी आई एंजॉय, बिकॉज आई सी द ग्रीन एंड द फार्मिंग कम्युनिटी, मैं उसको भी मैंने एंजॉय किया है. एक बार हमको खाना नहीं मिला. आई वाज ड्राइविंग फ्रॉम बनारस टू बलिया. देयर वाज नो होटल इन बिटवीन, सो वी स्टॉप्ड. आई हैड अ Fiat दैट टाइम. आई थिंक दिस इज 1983, 84, 85. तो हमने खुद भिंडियाँ किसान के खेत में गए, खुद भिंडी तोड़ी, काट के, और उसको उसकी बेटी को बोला कि इसको बनाओ. आराम से हमने खाना खाया. दैट ऑल्सो आई एन्जॉयड. आई मीन दैट इज़ वॉट लाइफ इज़. वन शुड एन्जॉय एवरी बिट. अब बाकी भगवान के ऊपर है, क्या कहाँ पर हमको भेजता है, क्या करता है वो, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ द लक, विच इज़ नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल. Oh, I'm very fond of traveling. There is no place which I have not visited in India, including all the states, 7 states, eastern states, Kashmir से लेके कन्याकुमारी तक. I visited all the states. This is my, traveling. Hobbies की आपने बात की है. My main hobbies is music. Then I am very good in sports. I was cricket captain of my school. I was champion of badminton. Even in university, I was a cricket captain. Apart from that, I was a good student also. In fact, I stood first in school in biology section. So, hobbies mein, or my passion is meeting people. I enjoy in good company. I was a young boy. I think I was studying in 7th or 8th. And there was a music teacher in Bikaner. He was a good tabla player. He had played with S.D. Burman in one song or something. So he will always remember that, देखो मैंने ये तबला मेरा बजा हुआ है. पता नहीं कौन सा गाना था वो, S.D. Burman का 1963 की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. He will make me sit and he will tell me कि तुम बजाओ, हारमोनियम बजाओ और मैं तबला बजाता हूँ. तो एक वो होता है कॉर्ड बजाओ, तो वो सेम वो आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम देयर. फ्लूट वाज नेक्स्ट. ही गेव मी फ्लूट. आई स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग जल तरंग. आई बिकेम द बेस्ट जल तरंग दिस थिंग. उसको मैं कैसे वो करता था, वो सेट करना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. जल तरंग को पानी कम करो, ज़्यादा करो. नल तरंग वाज अनदर थिंग. देन माउथ ऑर्गन. उन दिनों माउथ ऑर्गन नहीं होता था. स्पेशली अ रिलेशन ऑफ माइन गॉट जर्मन माउथ ऑर्गन विच इज़ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. क्योंकि मेरे पास था तो लोग देखते थे, अरे ये तो माउथ ऑर्गन. बट देन आई स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग माउथ ऑर्गन. आई लाइक. एंड देन इन पंतनगर यूनिवर्सिटी देयर वाज अ पियानो कॉर्डियन. सी पियानो तो आई न्यू कॉर्ड्स को फिर मैंने अच्छा से सीखा. And I used to play piano accordion from 1970 onward, which is a historical. Many of my friends, they say that look, he used to play piano accordion in 1970. So that's how वह रिदम का शौक तो था ही, वो ड्रम्स, बट तबला वगैरह नहीं मैं बजा पाता हूँ, बट बाकी मैं सब करता हूँ. बट माई फेवरेट सिंगर इज़ मुकेश. आई लव मुकेश सॉन्ग्स. नौशाद साहब is one of my favorite music directors. शंकर जयकिशन हमारे ज़माने में उन्होंने बड़े अच्छे म्यूज़िक दिया, जो मैं गाता भी हूँ कई उनके गाने. बट नौशाद साहब का म्यूज़िक मुझे भी अच्छा लगता है बहुत. डू गुड टू अदर्स. रिलीजन, मेरी माँ हिंदू थी. माई फादर वॉज अ सिख. माई मदर वॉज आर्य समाजी. My dad was Sikh from Lahore. हमने तो बड़ा एंजॉय किया रिलीजन. गुरुद्वारे गए, मंदिरों में भी गए, सब जगह. पर यही सीखा है कि ह्यूमैनिटी हैज़ टू बी लव्ड एंड रिस्पेक्टेड. ये रिलीजन है. Is Narendra Modi. I worked on couple of his projects in Gujarat when he was just new. केशुभाई पटेल के बाद जब ये आए थे तो किसी को पता ही नहीं था कि नरेंद्र मोदी क्या चीज़ है, ये क्या करेगा. बट द वे ही वर्कड, माय गॉड, ही इज़ वेरी ऑनेस्ट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ पर्सन. ही इज़ वेरी, जो टाइम फ्रेम का जो उनका कंसेप्ट है कि ये काम इस टाइम में ख़त्म होना चाहिए, सो दैट गेट्स रिड ऑफ करप्शन, करप्ट प्रैक्टिसेस. सो आई रिस्पेक्ट हिम. हिंदुत्व जो बीच में कुछ बातें हैं, वो आई डोंट नो हाउ टू कमेंट ऑन दैट. बट आर इंडिया इज़ ग्रेट. हिंदुत्व इज़ ग्रेट. उसको ठीक तरीके से देखा जाए तो इवन मुस्लिम्स कैन एंजॉय हिंदुत्व. हिंदुइज्म इज सच अ ग्रेट रिलीजन, वे ऑफ लाइफ आई वुड से. एंड सेम गोज फॉर हिंदूज. दे शुड ऑल्सो लुक एट गुड थिंग्स, गुड पॉइंट्स ऑफ इस्लाम. दे शुड नॉट गेट मिसगाइडेड. मैं तो यही कहूँगा. दे यूथ इज़ हाईली एजुकेटेड. The communication systems which were in place when we were young are very different. I would say that they should remain in discipline and अपने हिंदुस्तान को, हिंदुस्तान की सिविलाइजेशन को संभाल के रखें. मैं तो यही कहूँगा.
Yes, we are all unique. We come and go. But these stories are legacy forever. Do share your story with Indian Story anytime, anywhere. And don't forget to subscribe our channel